Alright guys, first detail of the day. It is currently 10 o'clock, right on time. This one's getting a basic interior, this one's getting an interior exterior, so let's get after it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, these seats look really clean, but they're actually pretty dirty. I'm going to show you guys how we can clean them further by using this crevice and seam cleaning brushes by Viking Car Care. I get so many hate comments for charging a lot of money. Alright guys, last up of the detail shouldn't take you very long. It's just a tire shine. Watch how fast I can apply this. Alright guys, it's 12:16. The vehicle's done, and we did lock up another detail for Wednesday at 10 o'clock. The neighbor's car. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I'm gonna get cleaned up and get out of here. Catch you guys another day. Thanks for watching. Peace.